lot of juniors and seniors have their 2020 prom canceled, so welcome to a virtual prom date with my 16-year-old brother.
And it went like...
Don't show the bottom half.
First step of the virtual prom, you need to make a corsage for your date. Your date needs a corsage, Mike. That's how you gotta take all the cute pictures. Now what about those pink flowers over
like
there?
This? What about this?
Oh yeah! What are your intentions with my daughter? Why are you taking her to prom?
Just to respect her. That's it.
So she would feel disrespected if you didn't ask, so that's why you asked?
No, just give her a whole night of respect.
Okay, I see.
Where do I put this? In your bra or something?
So what's your name? How old are you? And what grade are you in?
You want this?
Sure. Put those together.
And you blow it, make a wish. I was gonna stick it in your mouth.
How old are you? What's your name? And what grade are you in?
You don't know my name? I thought I asked you to prom.
No, we live in different towns. We don't know anything about each other. So
Why would I
introduce
ask you?
yourself.
My name is Long Tien.
What's your English name?
Michael Long. Michael Tien Long.
How old are you?
I am 16 and a half.
What grade are you in?
11th grade.
In our town, it's lame. We literally only have junior prom, so you should feel
how's
special
this?
that Michael asked you to prom because this is his only prom. This is the ugliest corsage I've ever seen. So what do you like to do in your free time? Like, what do you like at school? Are you an extrovert, introvert? What type of guy are we looking at? What do you have to offer as a candidate?
Style.
Style?
Lots of style.
What are you wearing? What's your outfit of the day?
So we have the Adidas slides. Nice little adissage, like pokey things.
I hate those things.
Gives you
They're
a
so
nice
uncomfortable.
massage every step. Nike socks, dry fit, not regular.
Visco
Yeah.
girls have abused those socks.
No flex, but dry fit, yeah. The Nike shorts, pretty good mesh material, really breathable. You see those? You see that? Get that?
Yeah.
You get that?
Uh-huh.
No, wait, let me see. Do you get that?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. Pretty loose, breathable. When you're on the dance floor, you can get loose. No restrictions.
Oh, okay.
Slim fit. Annie, you could never.
Would you
I got
tell your
this, like-
date that they can never?
No, I'm talking to you right now. I got this like 2 years ago. I don't know. There's some stains on it from 8th grade art class or something.
Oh wait, this is from 8th grade?
Something like that.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Not film videos with my sister.
Shall we go inside and start the dance party?
What dance party?
Prom, you dance.
With who's that guy?
Are you embarrassed to be at prom with me?
Yeah. No.
Wait, why aren't we dancing? You're not even gonna offer me punch?
The streets is my dance floor.
Wait, penny boards are supposed to be easy to ride. I think we should go inside. Are you okay? You look hurt.
Who's hurt? You got hurt? The board hit you on the way out?
I think we should go dance. Okay, I don't want you to get more hurt.
Is my suit okay? This is a private bathroom. It's men's only. You can use that.
Oh god. What type of dance moves are we working with here?
What's
Or
up?
are you dance floor shy?
So I need to untuck my shirt. Maybe a little bit
One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. On that you just wanna get high.
Oh wow.
Thought I told you that this my niche, play my role. What you
Shout out John Berry. Did you learn this in whatever school you went to?
No. We learned like break dancing for a bit, but it never got serious. Did you learn all of this at your school?
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever take ballroom dancing?
We did square dancing in 7th grade or something.
Can you show me what you learned?
I don't really know what square dancing is.
What are we gonna do when a slow song plays?
I'll probably be standing awkwardly on the other side of the room.
And who am I gonna dance with?
Probably no one. Yeah, I'll find you. I'll give you a look across the room.
What are your favorite slow dance songs?
Anything by 6ix9ine. Do you know him?
Oh, like the rainbow teeth guy.
Yeah, that guy. Are there any speakers I can hook up to?
I don't think so. It seems like your school's a bit ghetto and you guys don't really have a speaker. Do you play any instruments? Why are you ignoring me? Yeah, I'm super excited to dance with you tonight, Michael. Where are your friends? It seems like you haven't introduced me to them. Do you not have any?
No, I don't.
You like to ride
I was hoping
solo?
you wouldn't bring that up.
Why don't you have friends?
If I knew, I think I would have some friends, Annie, so.
I'm getting like some vibes that maybe you're a little too cocky and they just can't handle that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, why are you doing that to our prom? You're the worst prom date ever.
Sorry.
What are some good qualities you
Here, you want
have?
hit my jewel?
It's just not a jewel, Michael.
Okay. What do you like to do?
In my free time, I like to make TikToks.
Okay, I'm out.
This is such an important question. What do you look for in a girl?
Has some battle scars to show that she's been through some. Can I say the S word? The S-H-I-T word.
I don't know if this is quirky or it's a sign you have ADHD.
What'd you say?
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video with my brother. He's a really cool guy, actually.
Hey, Mike.